3-Minute Thesis. Brook Wagner, March 24th, 2022.
I experienced weight stigma all through childhood. I was bullied for it. I was called fat all the time and told that no boys would like me. You used to be super skinny. You were like a model. What happened? Are you sure you want to eat that? What size are you now? Believe it or not, these are real experiences that my participants have had with what is termed weight stigma, which occurs when a person is socially rejected or seen as less of a person due to their weight, and nearly 40% of the population has experienced some form of weight stigma in their life. Unfortunately, current research suggests that being subject to weight stigma experiences, similar to the examples I shared earlier, may lead to engaging in more negative health behaviors related to diet and weight management, and maybe even physical activity. Now, put yourself in their shoes and imagine that similar comments were made to you in fitness spaces, such as gyms and fitness centers. How would you respond? Would you become more physically active as a result? Or would you become less active and avoid these spaces altogether? Physical activity is one of the most influential and adaptable behaviors that benefits every single one of us to reduce our disease risk regardless of weight status. But only 24% of US adults meet the minimum physical activity recommendations. So to shame anyone in spaces like gyms and fitness centers in which people are making positive choices for their health is not only a potential detriment to their mental and emotional well-being, but it also jeopardizes their willingness to continue these behaviors. However, the evidence around weight stigma in fitness spaces and its impact on physical activity is still very limited. This is why, in my research, I used a mixed methods approach to address this significant gap, specifically to understand just what kinds of experiences are occurring here and how these experiences might ultimately impact physical activity levels and attitudes toward fitness spaces. So 214 adults in the US were surveyed on their physical activity behaviors and levels of weight stigma to quantify the impact of fitness center stigma on physical activity, and individual qualitative interviews with 8 participants followed. So far, my data has revealed lower physical activity is associated with experiencing weight stigma in fitness spaces, and I'm continuing to review and explore the qualitative data that I've collected to better understand participant experiences and their perceived impact. It is my mission that with a better understanding of the results of my research, that I can better inform educators, peers, health and fitness professionals, and all people that utilize fitness spaces about the negative impact that these comments and acts towards individuals can have. All people deserve a welcoming and safe space to engage in physical activity in order to improve their health, and we need to do better at providing just that. Thank you.